Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm back again with new video. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe. Atiku Abubakar's son Mohammed Atiku has been discharged from the hospital yesterday, 27 April 2020. Mr. Jollof received insult about his new post. Prophet TV Joshua went to the mountain to pray for the nation concerning this pandemic, this COVID-19 that is going all around the world. So my people, now don't see him say our pastor, our prophet TV Joshua don't go mountain say one go pray because then they feel say this thing a joke before. Maybe now they can't know say all these things no be joke. Oh, this COVID-19 no be joke, now serious issue. So our prophet TV Joshua don't go mountain now, one go pray for the nation. But some people now they talk say whether in short say now because of this shutdown I make in the prayer be now because say a church now they go on again. I be done they miss offering money. People don't they talk different matter now. Say now because of the offering money way they see again make and don't fall out go Marty go pray may everything for calm down, make the church come start again. But for me now normal thing wey prophets supposed to do to go pray to find solution for this thing, the way doctors they find solution. And so when they say go still go find solution, but our Nigerian people now don't they carry the matter, they go on the other side though say whether this man sure say now this COVID-19 issue make and go mountain go pray. I sure so now they see this thing they display for the background. So na him my people now make I come say share with una make una for see say the matter don't pass Gary. Now my people now don't see and say this thing no be joke again. No, so all the prophet don't they get up for it, they sit down put now they find solution, they go all one place and the other they go they find solution about this COVID-19. The shutdown no be small. Oh yeah, make we move to Mr. Jollof on. So this morning Mr. Jollof composed this video, and then and this boy they on I think video call. So I believe in a joke Mr. Jollof the joke with this video way in post. So but people will go they drop comment there no know what Mr. Jollof they try to talk. Maybe they feel say Mr. Jollof they support Oga Buhari for the speech when in drop. So people can go they talk to Oga Jollof anyhow say Oga Jollof now with Oga President Buhari they be the same of bed of the same feather now they be, but they no say this thing with Mr. Jollof do. So Mr. Jollof they use one they actually they laugh our Oga President Muhammad Buhari. Make I drop the okay my people
you feel say the way you dey go about this coronavirus matter, so the way you feel say you dey fight am, so do you feel that is the best solution to the end of coronavirus in Nigeria? We watch your broadcast now bunch of nonsense now you just dey talk for there. You know who fit address us, tell us say doctors and researchers them everybody dey lab they look for the cure to coronavirus, to who give us hope. You they tell us about coffee, they tell us about religious gatherings suspended, nose mask. Is that the solution to coronavirus, President Buhari? Your medical team for the Ministry of Health, they don't find the way they go to summon all these ABBA doctors come together, how they go fit find the cure to coronavirus with the cases where they turn. Una not do that one. Now to share rice, they'll give me palliative. Have you gotten your palliative? God, Nigeria is just a fucking country there.
Okay my people, so I don't watch this one where Mr. Jollof talk. So I don't watch waiting in talk waiting in tell Oga Mr. President Buhari for that video when I watch finish just now. So to show say Mr. Jollof no they support Buhari, but this video where Mr. Jollof just post now to just cash form, not to just joke, and una understand I for play this video, but maybe I go still put this video again make una play me una hear with him Mr. Jollof and this your other friend they talk for this background, so that I go no say Mr. Jollof no actually they support our president but they just they use this video they joke and they laugh. People can go they talk say Mr. Jollof and Oga Buhari na bed of the same feather.
Okay, now what
so
is
make
the
I
essence of
play
the
this
problem?
video make una know so that I go still
Say
laugh
from
on
8 o'clock for
joking
evening,
video be this one.
from 8 o'clock for evening to 6 a.m. for morning, everybody dey inside their house, abi?
Because the weather that time, okay, now that weather, the weather they favor Corona that time.
Yes,
Corona,
because you know say
Corona the waka.
you know say na heat, na coronavirus not dey like when sun dey.
Yes.
So yes, so the president now don't look and say okay.
Now wisdom, president they talk that thing. Wisdom, now any TikTok now.
Now wisdom, you know say they talk say waiting old man sit down the look. He small pikin climb tree, no
Yes. Yes. Now wisdom. Mr. President get him. In get him. You know fit take him from him. You don't look and say for night, this virus go dey waka anyhow. You just look and say, make I tell people.
Okay, my people, share when I don't see him say that video where he play us now, it's na joke. Now Mr. Jollof they joke. Mr. Jollof no take him serious. They laugh. Oga Buhari say he no know what thing they do with that video that they use indirectly. They talk to Oga Buhari. So Oga Buhari no know what thing they do. So na joke Mr. Jollof dey for those of una when e be say una no go just hear something well una just begin dey drop comment dey begin dey insult person e no good for una at all. Una dey lis ten to wetin person dey talk first before una go dey insult the person before una go dey judge the person. They say before you comot stick wey dey person eye you first remove the one wey dey your own eye first, so because as you dey remove the one wey dey person eye you no know the one wey dey your own eye. So Mr. Jollof e no take am personal say dem wan come join Mr. Buhari, dem only dey take am dey cash form. So may we move to the other matter wey carry us come here again. Okay, my people, for those of una wey no know who be Atiku na former vice president of Nigeria Republic. So now your pikin be this one wey they call Muhammad Atiku. So then don't come talk say he don recover from hospital. They don't carry am reach house. Mona see wetin the boy even write for Twitter. So he dey thank all Nigerians wey support am. Say after 40 days they don finally discharge. The charger come house yesterday will be 27th of April 2020. So he dey thank all Nigerians, so say wait for the support and everything. So my people, the shocking part for this story, I don't fair hear am before say this boy don run comot for hospital before law say after the treat am for some time the call run comot for hospital say he don dey okay, but I no know the one wey dey come talk say he don still discharge from hospital again yesterday because that time wey the boy fair run comot for hospital people dey ask am say no he fair run, he come dey thank Nigeria say they really do well. People come dey ask am say which medicine they treat am for Nigeria wey come dey recover, which experience he get. May he explain the experience wey he get about this coronavirus wey hold am. So the boy no fit talk but now he don come still talk say he don come back again from another hospital. Now wow, so he don come back again for hospital. I hope say this one when he come back so he no go back again because before you know they go say he don go hospital again before you know they go say he don test positive again but now they say don test negative, he don dey perfectly okay. If na really say na truth say you fair catch am before you don dey okay now, congratulations to you abeg make una dey suffer dey waka and also na dey like travel well now na get the country. So my people, may we move to the other next matter where the carriers come here again. Yes, so my people, our president Muhammad Buhari don come talk am say make dem no dey come outside for night again say because na night oga korokoro dey waka. He say because during the daytime sun dey everywhere dey hot, so the korokoro no go see chance enter your body. You are free to waka from daytime, but night once time is 8 p.m. you don dey your house, so make you no come outside. And when the next day morning when time be 6 in the morning, 6 a.m. in the morning, you fit still come outside again say because now na night the korokoro dey enter person thing. So he say na night the korokoro dey enter person body so abeg my Nigeria people make una stay house, so make una stay house for night, to make una dey waka for daytime. I never see wey be say koro dey enter person body for night o. I no know the kind doctor wey come tell our president to Oga Buhari say na night na the koro take dey waka, say the koro don get leg wey take dey waka. Yeah, where we dey for abroad, we dey waka for night, dey waka for daytime o. They no tell us say make we no waka